Hey, evening guys, Tush coming at you. Monday night, June the 2nd. Well, I'm thinking of that. Personally, I think May was a better month, but I'll let you guys decide. Alright, back to work. Just home after work, and we'll spend an hour or two in the garage tonight. I've pulled the trunk lid out of the oven. It's been sitting there since yesterday, so we're going to unmask the bottom. Hopefully we didn't get any overspray on the bottom, and we'll have a look once we get her unmasked. Anyway, plan tonight is to wet sand and buff this, and we'll see how far we get. If we complete this, we've got the two doors to do as well, so we may move along to those depending on how well we do tonight and how tired we get. Kind of a overcast evening. It's been raining here this afternoon. Possible for thunder showers later on today, so we'll see what happens. Anyway, that's it for now. We'll unmask it. Maybe we'll give you a shot of the top side once we get ready to sand it, so you can see the results at the end. Alright guys, talk to you in a bit. Alright guys, all unmasked and she looks good. No overspray, no problems. Everything looks to be intact, so I'm happy with that. So we'll move on to the top side. I'll call that one done. Alright, we'll flip her over. Okay guys, quick look at the top side, and it doesn't look too bad. I do have a bug right there that we need to get rid of, and some little dirt nibs, so we'll have to get rid of those. And a few, little mark there, and I got a few little dirt nibs in here, but other than that it's not bad. So we'll get the 1500 out, the 2000, the 2500 grit will go to town, and then we'll get the buffer out, and we will bring you back when she's done. Wish me luck. Well, the bad news is I can't get that speck out. That bug is too deep into the clear. But I've got him a little bit better, but he's still obviously standing out. Now the good thing about it is I do actually have a black stripe going on here, and it's going to be close, but I think the black stripe is 8 inches off the center. So it actually, but I think it's split 4 and 4. Now there also is an 1/8 inch stripe that goes outside of that that's spaced 1/4, so I might be able to cover that with a stripe, so I might get away with that if I'm lucky. This one, not so much. There's a little tiny black speck here. I know that Milo had commented on one of my videos that it's possible to remove these little black specks by being very, very careful and sort of digging down with the edge of a razor blade or a fine blade, and putting a little drop of color on the end of a toothpick, followed by a little drop of clear on the end of a toothpick. So we may have to give that a try if that really bugs me. But anyway, we're sanded down to 1500 grit. We're going to go to 2000 and then to 2500. She's looking good, other than those couple of spots there. So we'll continue on, guys. Okay, guys, we're done to 1500. We're just going to go to the 2000. Then we're going to go to the 2500. And then we're going to buff it. Alright, that's where we're at. Okay, guys, just coming up to 7:45. We got a nicely dull all over trunk lid. So we're just about ready to get the compounds out, and we'll get the buffer out, and we'll see how she comes up. So I'll give you a shot of that before we get to the next stage. So there we are. Wish me luck. Hey guys, just coming up on 8:30, and the trunk lid is now done. Don't know how well you're going to be able to see this or not, but came up pretty nice. Kind of hard to see in the getting a little dark out in the garage, but it's pretty shiny. It's also hard with the fluorescent lights out here, but anyway, it seems to buff up pretty nice. Again, the only issue is that little bug speck right there. And there's a little guy, a little black guy there, but I can probably live with that. And we're hoping that the black stripe eventually covers that little bug. Yeah, that's it for tonight, guys. I think we'll probably pack it up and go in for the night, and we'll get out here again tomorrow, and we'll work on the doors. Alright guys, have a good night. Just one more parting shot from outside before the battery dies. Alright guys, have a good night. We'll see you tomorrow.